America is entering a new economic reality, not tomorrow, not next year, right now. Artificial intelligence is no longer a tool, it's becoming the workforce. From customer service agents, to financial analysts, to content creators, AI systems are replacing tasks that once required years of human experience. Major corporations are quietly restructuring. Millions of traditional 9-to-5 roles are being automated, optimized, or eliminated. And here's the truth most people are not ready to hear. The job market of 2026 will not reward effort, it will reward adaptability. But this isn't just a warning, it's an opportunity. Because while AI is replacing jobs, it's also creating entirely new income streams. Today, we break down the 3 essential skills that can make you AI-proof in 2026. A doesn't eliminate work, it shifts control. The real winners in this new economy are not the workers, they are the operators of AI systems. Companies are no longer hiring large teams. They are hiring one person who can manage AI tools efficiently. This is called AI automation management. Instead of doing repetitive tasks yourself, you design systems that do them for you. Think about this. One person managing 10 AI tools, replacing the work of 10 employees at a fraction of the cost. That person becomes indispensable. Skills you need: understanding AI tools like chatbots, automation platforms, workflow design, basic data handling. In 2026, your value is not how hard you work, it's how many systems you control. AI can process data, AI can write content, AI can even make decisions. But there's one thing it still cannot replicate: human emotion. A world flooded with automation, human connection becomes a premium service. This is where emotional intelligence consulting comes in. Businesses will need experts who can understand human behavior, improve communication, build trust with customers and teams. Because while AI handles operations, humans will handle relationships. Think about roles like leadership coaching, brand storytelling, client relationship strategy. These are not just soft skills anymore. They are high-income skills. In the AI economy, emotional intelligence is not optional. It's a competitive advantage. Here's the most underrated skill of the AI revolution: prompting. The ability to give AI the right instructions to produce high-value results. This is called high-ticket prompting, because companies are already paying thousands of dollars for advanced AI-generated marketing campaigns, business strategies, automated content systems. The difference between average and elite results is not the AI tool, it's the person controlling it. A skilled prompter can replace entire creative teams, generate business ideas instantly, scale output 10x faster. And the best part, you don't need a degree, you need practice, strategy, and precision thinking. In 2026, the highest paid individuals will not be coders, they will be AI communicators. The AI revolution is not coming, it's already here, and you have 2 choices: be replaced by the system, or become the person who controls it. Master AI automation management, emotional intelligence, high-ticket prompting, and you don't just survive, you dominate the new economy. If you found this report valuable, subscribe to Wealth Report USA for more insights that keep you ahead of the curve. Because, in 2026, the future doesn't belong to the hardest worker, it belongs to the smartest adapter. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not professional financial advice. Investing involves risk. Always do your own research.